Y'all got 15 minutes to get ready. Woo. G to the double O D! Good morning! Lee? Good morning!
Good afternoon, it's 12.
It is 8:45 and they're supposed to come pick us up at 9, I think. 9-ish. And usually we have time to get breakfast, but not today because these people like to sleep in, especially when I'm making all this noise to try to wake them up. We are out here at this wine tour. Check out this place. Look at it. It's pretty cool. Look at these boys. They're next to the bird thing. We're on this wine tour, and in about an hour we're probably gonna leave and go to the waterfall, I think. We got our food in a grub. I'm the pack mule today. I'm holding everything near and dear to my life. Basically all my equipment.
Lee, how was the food?
Food was really good, but it was $17.
Yeah, definitely not worth $17.
It was really good though.
Yeah, the sandwich was actually
but $17 is pushing it, okay.
Especially with that sauce. Okay.
But now we're waiting to go to the waterfall place, and there's a chocolate factory at the end of this tour.
Oh, yeah, we're going to chocolate. Yeah, we all know you are. You're like that. You're like that kid on what's it? Willy Wonka, the fat white kid that likes chocolate. Oh, what the? It's a spider! Ah! I don't like spiders.
You killed it with your new shoes.
Ooh, you already stepped on them anyway.
Should we go by the pond and go check out the pond before we leave? What time is it? We gotta leave at 1:30. We have 10 minutes. Okay, we can do the pond, guys. Let's go!
Let's go.
You can just pick any of these?
The black one.
Oh, okay.
Red.
Whoa, cool. You want some?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
We are beginning our trek up to the waterfall. And it is just as steep as the Mount Rainier trail. You good, homie?
Nothing gets in our chocolate here. Here you are.
Lee, how excited are you to be at the chocolate factory? Huh?
You like your chocolate?
Yeah, literally you have Reese's cups by your bed. Don't lie.
I didn't eat it yet.
Oh, I thought it was open. Look at us. with our hats on. Wait, get in this shot. Trying to make it look cool.
Let's just see like a handful of these.
The mint encores? Man, Jessica, you would love this place. Lee, did you like it? You gonna get some? Do you want some? Let's get this brick.
No.
Why? Dylan said that this is his favorite chocolate. Dylan admitted it. That's so crazy. Or it's the best. Okay. Out of all the ones you've tried. But yeah, Lee got ice cream bar with peanuts and chocolate. Alright guys, we finally made it back to the hotel on another Uber. We spent so much money this trip, like ridiculous amount of money. And these boys are just prepping for tomorrow. We're leaving at around 11. We're supposed to check out at 11 and get on a shuttle and go to the airport. Probably get ready and pack up our stuff now. Just call it a night. I'm sorry I didn't really vlog today, actually. We only vlogged like the hike and the waterfalls and some of that. And then we went to a really good Asian restaurant called Chan Seattle, which was amazing. We got some Korean wings and I mean I have some pictures, so I'll probably post the pictures. Anyway. You rolling, Dylan?
Rolling.
Okay, just say goodbye to the vlog, okay?
Tweet me at David Dobrik.
No, we're not doing this. Oh, you mess it up literally every time.
Because I was gonna say lies of a lie.
I know, but you mess it up every time. Okay, good night, guys. We'll